Yan yan si Celine. Ma-angry na naman yan si Celine. Maybe just a mix. Ipot me. Uy, you must to pay here, I think. Yela dali, nag-remove pala tayo na yan. It's okay, Yela, just make it. Yela, just make it. Okay? Okay na. You want to remove that? It's okay na lang. Kulin naman yung gas natin. It's okay, nagano si Grace ng ano. Yela, go. Wala tayong makikita doon sa labas. Lasam sa labas kasi. Ayan na. Yela, play na yung kitchen. Slide sisi. I'm not scared. Yeah, of course you are big na. No need to scare you. And the one is small. Yeah. Yela. Good evening. Wow, very nice.
Bye.
That is your home? Wow, so good.
You want to come to my home?
Yeah, if I want. Don't remove. No need to remove. No need to remove dyan. Wala namang ano. We are here in the restaurant to take dinner. What's the name? That one is pizza. There is beef salad. I forgot the name. The clinic always order her, madam. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you very much that you are always support on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for subscribers. Thank you very much for viewers. Thank you very much for the support. You with us. Thank you very much. Thank you again. Thank you. Bye. We shall be sitting again. Thank you for the support, and thank you, and thank you, and thank you for the support. That's what we have. To all some blogger that you are helping to me since when I'm starting until now, and you know where you are, and wherever you are, wherever you go. Thank you very much, and keep safe. And thanks for the full support. And to the some YouTube channel also that I connect to them, and some of them also they are giving me support. What? Telephone of your mama? Yeah. Yela. Nasaan na? Yes, madam. There is? Yeah, mix nga, half. Okay, thank you. A telephone, and thank you again to all that you are still giving me patience to understand to my old videos, and to concentrate to spend time and effort to watch all my videos. Thank you very much talaga to all supporters, viewers, and subscribers, and some of them that you are only watching of my short and regular videos. Please, I'm just asking, please talaga, no? Kindly na lang, kindly subscribe, share, comments, and like. And makulit yung mga bata, I'm sorry. I needed to stop because I'm here in the play section of the restaurant. Ayan, that's one. So to all Baghdad people here, especially to the family, so you can come here to visit this restaurant also. Ayan. Fun area. Welcome to Sas Al-Rif playing area. Ayan pala siya. Aray ka. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Look na yung children. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, it's okay, Ade. I cannot see na good, what's that? Yellow. Dinik drawing na raw.